Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a simple yet essential trick for managing your WordPress site, how to approve or unapprove comments. Whether you want to keep spam out or highlight valuable feedback, this guide will help you stay on top of your website's conversation in just a few clicks. First, let's log in. Open your browser and head over to your WordPress site. Click the login button in the top right corner. For a faster and secure option, you can simply choose Continue with Google to sign in with your Google account. Easy, right? Once you're in, you'll land on the WordPress dashboard. To manage comments, go to the comments section. You can either enter the direct comments URL or navigate through the dashboard menu. Here, you'll see all the comments submitted to your site. Now, let's talk about approving and unapproving. If you see a comment you don't want visible yet, simply click the Unapprove button. This will remove it from public view while keeping it in your dashboard for later review. On the other hand, if there's a comment that was previously unapproved but you want to make it visible, just locate it in the unapproved list and hit approve. It's that straightforward. Your comments are now fully under your control. And that's it. Approving and unapproving comments in WordPress is super simple but can make a huge difference in maintaining the quality of your website's content. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a quick WordPress trick. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.